shoes on.
BarbecuePitBoys.com. Today we're cooking up some chicken dragon eggs at the pit, and it's real easy to do. All right, for this recipe, you're going to need some chicken breasts. Here's a whole skinless, boneless chicken breast. You know about those. You're going to need yourself some pork belly bacon. And to make the dragon eggs, you're going to need some cream cheese. Here we have some shredded yellow cheddar cheese. You're going to need your favorite seasoning, like a rub. And here we've got the jalapeno. All right, let's put it together. Now, if you've never made a jalapeno popper before, well, check this out. All you do is you take a good-sized jalapeno, right, nice fresh one like that. You cut it down the middle. And this here is Pitmaster privilege. You want to remove some of the meat, some of the seeds, right? Because there is the heat of the jalapeno. Most of you know that, right? So you can optionally leave some of it in or remove most of it. It's totally up to you, right? Now, the seeds don't have the capsaicin, the actual heat, but it's the membrane around it that have the heat. All right, now, we're going to take this whole boneless, skinless chicken breast, and we're going to split it, right? We want to fillet it out. Spatchcock it in a way, right? You know about that. Want to flatten it out. Simple to do. Use your old hickory or what knife you have. Oh, yeah. Simple enough. Now, we're going to take some ordinary plastic wrap because what we want to do here is we want to flatten this out. And you do that for a couple of reasons. One is so you have a consistent thickness of the meat so it cooks evenly. And you also are able to tenderize it by using a meat mallet like this, right? Doesn't take much. Flatten it out. You tenderize it. Make it a lot easier to cook. But most of you know all about that, right? Now, if you've never had dragon eggs before, you gotta check it out. This is some good eating at the pit. Now, per standard jalapeno popper, you take your cream cheese, and you can use a seasoned cream cheese. Use your own favorite mix recipe. And you just load up that jalapeno. This is gonna be good, I'm telling you. You better make a few of these. You're gonna want some leftovers, which you are. All right, now we're gonna take that shredded cheddar cheese and use the shredded. It melts better and faster. Put it in there. You want to use the cheddar. It's perfect for this, and it looks like an egg, right? The white and the yolk. Perfect. Dragon egg. Done. Now, we're going to take the dragon egg and we're going to wrap it with your pounded out chicken. Just like that. Yeah, that fly back there is going to get wasted. Just wait. So we get a good wrap. And this is what's going to hold it together. You don't need any string or anything like that. You just need some bacon. And as many of you know, the bacon, as it cooks, it constricts. Like a serpent. Like a snake. The longer it cooks, the tighter it gets. Keep all of this together. Use a good quality bacon. And there's some good ones out there. You kidding me? As I've said before, this looks good enough to eat already. But don't. You want to throw it on the barbecue. Cook it just right. Now, we could have gone a lot faster with this, but as we've said before, we kind of like doing this. So if you this is not fast enough for you, hit that fast forward button right there, right in front. All right. The chicken breast stuffed with a jalapeno. It's been wrapped with bacon. And we're going to trim it up just a little bit to make it look real pretty. Just like that. Now, take your favorite rub, something like a chicken rub. Here we're using one of our rubs. You give a good, generous dosing all over the top. Now we're ready for the grill. Now we've got the grill fired up to about 325 degrees Fahrenheit, more or less. Stay in that range. And we're going to place it on the grill indirect, away from the hot charcoal, because we want it to slowly bake, like a wood in your oven. You don't want to burn the bacon. It won't take long to do. All right. We're getting near done on this. You want an internal temperature of about, more or less, 165 degrees Fahrenheit internal, so it's fully cooked, the chicken. And here we're going to hit it with some sauce. Grab some sauce, your favorite sauce. You'll start basting it. You can do this several times during your cook. And in the miracle of time, whoa, this chicken dragon egg is done. Take a look at that. Pull it off the grill. Let it set just for a few minutes. Now, take a look at this. Lord have mercy. Whoa. We're eating good tonight, Martha. Eat your heart out. Nothing more to say. Creamy, moist, tender, salty bacon flavor. And this is the part where the pit master is going to apologize eating in front of you. Or maybe he won't. So the next time you're looking for a recipe at your pit, check out Barbecue Pit Boys. Give us a thumbs up, follow us, subscribe. We appreciate your support.